Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My son used to love Spider-Man. So in this video, I wanted to give you an idea for a Spider-Man balloon backdrop. Not sure if you could see that behind me. Now, You Backdrop was nice enough to send me a round backdrop stand. So I'm going to try that out in this video too. All right, so let's get started. Before I unbox this round backdrop stand, look at this. This stand comes with a case. I am super excited because I've never had a stand come with a case before. Now I am going to open it up so that you can see what's inside. There's some gloves here. Then here is the base, and this has some weight to it. This is about like 5-10 pounds here. And then here's the pieces that go on the bottom. So this goes on the base. And as you can see, everything is labeled. So this is also a piece that goes on the base. And here's the numbers on it, just to make it very easy to connect all of the pieces. So I'm loving this already. And then here's all of the other pieces that come with this backdrop stand. So let's start putting it together. Here's the backdrop stand after I set everything up. This was super easy to put together. Guys, you can do it in about 5-10 minutes. But this stand is huge. I didn't realize it was going to be this big. This is 7 feet tall, but really you can get away with 6.5 feet. So let me show you the base. I am going to put some weights at the bottom of this because I don't want it to fall over when I start adding my balloons. So these are 2 of the 25-pound weights that I put on the bottom. So in total, I have 50 pounds of weight on the bottom. Now let me show you the balloon colors that I am going to use. It's a Spider-Man theme, so of course I have to use blue balloons. I chose to use Royal Blue balloons by Sempertex, but you could really use any dark blue balloon that you want. Now these are 11-inch balloons. For the most part, I'm going to use 11-inch balloons with this backdrop. The next color that I'm going to use is red, and you can get red balloons from any balloon brand. You could even get them off of Amazon. But with this red color, I am going to use some 17-inch balloons just to add something different to my backdrop. Now I need to add some fillers to this backdrop. So let me show you. I have some extra balloons that are blown up and some smaller balloons, and I connected them with a 260 balloon. That's what I'm pulling on. So using that 260 balloon, I'm going to add these filler balloons into the backdrop so that I can fill in some gaps. And I really want to cover this stand. So here's what it looks like so far. I do still have some gaps in this backdrop. So this type of backdrop does take a lot of balloons. So I'm just going around, as you can see, I just want to show you. So you could still see the round stand, right? So tonight, what I'm going to do is just blow up some more balloons, and then I'm going to add them to this backdrop to cover up the gaps and give it a nice round shape. But look at it so far. I think it looks good so far. I'm really liking the shape. All right, so it's the next day, and let me show you. I've added my balloons, and now I want to add this giant spider web. So this is what it looks like. I'm a bit nervous because I've never used this before. I just brought this off of Amazon. So I'm trying to be very careful and add it to my backdrop. So all I'm going to do is just take the strings and then wrap that around the balloons that are already on the stand, okay, on the backdrop stand. But again, I'm trying to be very careful because I don't want these balloons to pop, and I really don't want these balloons to move. So I'm just taking the ends of the spider web, and then I am going to wrap that around the balloons that are in the back of this backdrop, okay? guys, so that was my balloon backdrop idea. Let me know in the comments, what did you guys think? I just love the way that this came out. I wish my son was still younger so I could do this for his birthday. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm not sure if those pedestals were needed. So that's the reason why I wanted to show you the balloon backdrop with the pedestals in front of it, because I know some people like that look. But if you don't want to use the pedestals, I wanted to show you what the round balloon backdrop look like, okay? So it's your choice. If you want to use the pedestals, I'll be sure to put a link in the description for some pedestals that you can use. But if you just want to use this round stand and add some balloons in your Spider-Man, you are good to go for that, okay? So make sure you check the description of this video. I have some classes this month. If you are interested, I'm pretty sure I have a round balloon backdrop class coming up this year. But I have some classes this month, so make sure you check the description of this video if you are looking to sign up for a class. Guys, please make sure you sign up early, okay? If you are interested in recreating this look, just make sure you check the description. I'm going to put all of the links to the materials that I use, okay? If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.